So this is the lock that I changed out of a fire door not so long ago. I'm a joiner by trade. I just pick locks for a hobby like. I've not posted in about 9 years. So all the videos that's on my profile, the UKLockPicka, is of really bad quality. So I will be repicking some of them locks using this decent camera on my phone on a Note 8. So this one's a CISA lock. The bitting on the key is just high and low cuts. I have picked this lock. It does function. That's the back of the lock. On the other side of the door there will be a push bar, a fire bar exit like so. Picks I'm using is just old ones that I've found. Normally I make my own, so I will make a video on how I make the picks, but for now they'll have to do. So let's get this puppy open. Really light tension. I'll see if I can get you so you can hear the pins set. That was pin 1. Pin 2 is springy. Pin 3, well I believe there's a spool pin, so I'll just leave that one offset. 4 springy, and then normally there, it's into a false set. It's off 10 degrees. That way. I could have drew a bit of a mark there and a mark there just to illustrate it a bit more, but it's a struggle the way I'm picking up the minute because I've got no tripod or nothing yet. So let's just go through these pins and just see which ones is given the tension bar counter rotation indicating there's a spool pin. There you are, into a deeper false set. So the last spool pin is at the back. I'm just going back to them just to make sure I haven't. In fact, let's get rid of that one. And the last one is just at the back. It's hard to pick the way I'm picking here. I'm not going to get it with this pick. I'm going to have to use that monstrosity. But it'll work. I'll try and show you the counter rotation when I get to the pin. That's it there, and that's picked. Fooled. So that's going to reset. I have to repick pin 3 and then go back to the back. I have to turn the pick the other way around for a second. That's it. That will give us space just to pick the last spool pin, which is there. So the counter rotation, if you can see it, press it and the point pops back, press it, pops back, press it, pops back. Let off the tension, push down on the pick. There you are. That's it, done. Picked. I have got loads of other locks that I've got that I'm going to put on camera. Normally when I pick a lock, I'll keep it for a week or so, maybe dismantle it. I'm not going to dismantle this. I've got the kid in the background, I've got Paw Patrol playing. But normally, when I'm done, if you want the lock, just send us a message and I'll trade anywhere in the world. I used to trade as far as Australia, Canada. So, anyone interested, drop us a message. Also, please subscribe and like the video and leave your comments. Any feedback's welcome.